All right, it's time for a financial connection with our good friend from Coastal Community and Teachers Credit Union. Please welcome Gina Prince Bryant. She is the president of the credit union, and we're honored to speak with you today. How are you, Gina?
I'm doing great. And you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for joining us. Now, many people are looking to take advantage of these different interest rates and looking at loan opportunities, especially after the experience we've had over this past few months. It's my understanding that you have a few promotions to share with the community that may be beneficial to people who are in a bind or just looking to invest in something new.
We certainly do. We have three promotions going on right now. We do have a home equity promotion. Now, let me get a little bit of that housekeeping out of the way. We are an equal housing lender. You can find all the disclosures necessary on our website. But we are offering a 3% rate up to 84 months. And no origination, so that does save money in individuals' pockets. And many times people don't really understand what a home equity is, or they may be a little timid, because of the fact that it is their home, but it can get you a lower interest rate. So I would say, again, let us educate you. You can come call into our main office, and they will certainly get someone to explain how that works, so you understand completely, so you can make an informed decision.
Absolutely. And I love that you have the option of calling in. I think many people may still be sort of hesitant to get out in public or sit down for a situation like this that can be done over the phone. So that's an option for anybody watching. Now, what other loan opportunities are we looking at?
Well, we also have automobiles, vehicles, everybody, we really haven't seen a slowdown. So I think people were still finding alternate ways to buy, but that's good. A lot of good deals out there from the car dealers as well. We have a 2.49%. That rate can be as low as 2.49. We are also extending loan due dates, out 60 days, to give you a little bit of time to make that first payment. It's also available for refinance. So if you're, have a higher interest rate at another financial institution, then, think about us. And we are a community credit union. We'd be certainly happy to look at your situation and see if we could get that loan refinanced for you.
Okay, and when it comes to refinancing, what are some things that people want to consider when this may seem like an option to them?
Well, you always have to consider, what the value of the vehicle is. Like they say, when you drive it off the lot, it depreciates a little bit at that time. And so we do look at the current value. We will, sometimes go a little bit over 100% to get you refinanced, get you a better interest rate, more paid to the principal. And so, we look at the whole deal, the whole situation, and we make sure that we give you an option that is beneficial to you. Certainly, we don't want it to be the other direction.
Yes, of course. We want to ease your stressful lives and make them a little bit more simple. That's what Coastal Community and Teachers Credit Union is here to do. And last but not least, a signature loan. Explain to our viewers what that is and how they can take advantage of it.
Well, now that, people aren't going out as much yet, we're reopening, take the time to look at your credit card interest rates. If you're paying 20%, 18%, 19%, we have a low signature loan rate. Your rate may be as low as 7%. And so you might want to take advantage of looking at refinancing some of your credit card debt, putting it into one payment. Sometimes also refinancing some of your revolving debt to a loan that will just pay out will also improve your credit score. So again, it's about education, and that's what we're about. Let us educate you on what would be the best option for you.
Wonderful. Well, we have lots of useful information here, and of course, we know that we can count on you to give us all the important details. Now, I mentioned earlier, some people may still be kind of skeptical about getting, coming in person and getting advice. The phone call is an option. I'm sure there are limitations on how much you can disclose over the phone, but what do you suggest for anybody that wants to come in? You all are taking all the precautions necessary to maintain the safety of our health, correct?
Right. And, many of the institutions around the area, we've had to have reopening plans. I know several of them haven't reopened yet, but all of our branch lobbies are open. We have set up social distancing guidelines, as well as put in some sneeze guards and doing different things just for the customer's safety, as well as our employees. And so there's alternate ways to bank as well. You can apply online, you can call in. We really still encourage using the drive-through just because it's an easier way. You don't even have to get out of your car. So, hey, it works for me. Try the alternate ways to bank as well.
Great. And for anyone who is meeting you all for the first time, what convenient locations do you have available to them?
Well, we have multiple. Our main office is located at 6810 Saratoga, but we have branches across from Moody High School. We have one at Hamlin Shopping Center. We have a branch in Portland, Alice, Kingsville, and just look up on our website at myccatcu.com, and it'll give you all of our convenient locations. Or you can always call our main number, 361-985-6810, and we will direct you to the closest location.
Wonderful. Well, Gina, it's always a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you for everything you all do to help those people in our community. And we encourage you all, if you're watching, to call or visit Coastal Community and Teachers Credit Union. And don't forget to tell them Coastal Living sent you.